So, there was a new. There we go. So good. Creepy noise. And I don't know what it is. So let's put it onto the mat. I think up there is the fire thing. There we go. Heavy. Loud, isn't it? Barely, you can hear it from the phone. Oh, this is scraping the light. Dang! Well, goodbye. If you subscribe and like and everything like that.